Alrighty, today we're all about work from home jobs for beginners. The leads I have consist of a training included work from home job taking orders, a remote job with a nice work from home stipend included, and an easy non-phone customer support job. So no more dilly-dallying. Let's start off with a training included job, and that one comes to us from Colibri Group. So Colibri Group, they provide online professional education. Right now they have an opening for a customer service representative in the silent channel division of this company. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States, and they're going to pay $16 to $17 per hour, and you really don't need a whole lot of related work experience. I'll get into that in just a minute. And they're going to train you. They tell us the schedule after training will be from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. And because this is a fully remote position, you don't have to live in the Central Time Zone. Just translate your local hours to those hours. So that right there tells us they are going to train you in this position, and some holiday coverage may be required, so expect to do some overtime. So in this job, you'll handle a broad range of duties such as processing securities and insurance orders, handling escalated client issues, and responding to client inquiries in a timely fashion. So yeah, it's your typical customer service order processing kind of position. You'll process all securities and insurance sales orders, ensure the timely and successful delivery of information in response to client inquiries, and communicate clearly to sales team members all client issues and challenges that have been escalated. And you'll assist with customer order requests or issue escalations, and those might include things like order processing and account status. So they want you to have a strong work ethic, you're self-motivated with a commitment to succeed both individually and as a team member. You have excellent interpersonal, written, and verbal communication skills. You also have an aptitude to learn and navigate new software quickly, and you're comfortable using multiple computer screens and internet tabs simultaneously. You have a reliable internet connection, a dedicated, quiet, and distraction-free workspace. They prefer you have work-from-home experience, and they'd like you to have prior related work experience. So if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, you have customer support experience, so definitely apply for this job. They also want you to have a high school diploma or equivalent, and you're proficient in Microsoft Office. So in addition to earning $16 to $17 per hour, they're going to train you, and they offer your typical suite of benefits. If you like this job, you can find the direct link in the description area. This is job number 1. So that brings us to our second job. This one provides a nice work from home stipend. So this job comes to us from Hungry Root. They have an opening for a transportation coordinator. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, and they're going to pay you $50,000 to $65,000 per year. That's $24 to $31 per hour. And they're going to give you a pretty nice suite of benefits. You can work remotely from your home, or if you live in the New York City area, you can work out of that office. You can work anywhere within the United States. And they're going to give you a work from home stipend to support your initial home office setup. So that can include a computer, a desk, a chair, whatever you need to set up your new work from home office. So you'll report to the Senior Transportation Manager, and you'll be responsible for overseeing key day-to-day transportation operations inbound to the fulfillment center and outbound from the fulfillment center to the final customer. You'll quote, book, and track inbound POs, update shipment status, communicate delays or short shipments with the supply chain team, and troubleshoot any delays or missed pickups. You'll also audit and approve inbound transportation invoices, file and track claims for damages on inbound POs, and coordinate with customer service to resolve small issues and escalate larger issues. You'll enter and track shipments, create parcel labels, assist the team with BOL creation, outbound scheduling, and parcel network monitoring when needed, and rotate on call with the other 2 members of the transportation team. And they really don't have a whole lot of requirements for this job. That's really cool. They prefer you have about 2 years experience with detail-oriented office work. You're comfortable using Microsoft Excel and Outlook, and you have a willingness to self-learn additional programs and technical skills. So that's it for this job. They're going to pay $50,000 to $65,000 per year and give you a really nice work from home stipend. If you like this job, you can find the direct link in the description area. This is job number 2. Our third job comes to us from the company Muesli. This is a non-phone work from home job, and it's for a social support specialist. This is a full-time remote position. They're based out of California, so I'm taking that to mean you can do this job remotely anywhere within the United States, including California. And as far as your schedule, they do want someone who can work afternoons, evenings. As we scroll down here, they tell us your schedule will be from noon to 6 p.m. Pacific time, 5 days a week, including Sundays and Mondays. And because this is a fully remote position anywhere within the United States, you don't have to live in the Pacific time zone. Just translate your local hours to those hours. And as far as salary, you're going to be paid $17 to $20 per hour for this non-phone work from home job. So this is a customer support position. You'll find solutions to customers' problems and relay valuable feedback to the team. So they're looking for someone who's a great communicator and can quickly build trust with customers. Ultimately, you'll help establish the company's reputation as a company with excellent customer support with a goal to enhance the customer experience. So yeah, you'll respond to customer queries via Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. You'll analyze and report recurring issues and customer feedback, monitor complaints on social media, and reach out to provide assistance and follow up with customers to ensure their issues are resolved. They'd like you to have experience in customer support, and again, if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, you qualify. You're patient, empathetic, you have experience on meta and or social media moderation, you're an excellent communicator, you're able to multitask, you can work independently, and they prefer you have a degree in communications or relevant field, and that's just preferred, that's not required. But when I look down here, they tell us an associate's degree is required. 2 years of previous customer service, retail, or restaurant experience is also required. You have a friendly and welcoming manner with customers and team members. You're able to explain complex concepts in a clear, simple manner. You're organized, you can multitask, you can remain calm, and it's a plus you're fluent in Spanish, and that's just a plus, it's not required. So you're going to work 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time zone hours, and they're going to pay $17 to $20 per hour for this non-phone work from home job. If you like this one, you can find a direct link in the description area. Job number 3. Alrighty, there you go. We just went over 3 pretty easy work from home jobs. One of them will train you. You're going to do some customer service and order processing. We have a job where you're going to make sure all the transportation runs smoothly between the fulfillment center and customers, and you're going to get a nice work from home stipend with this job. And a really easy non-phone work from home job that's hiring right now. Hopefully one of these jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for more easy work from home jobs, check out this video right here. I share some data entry, part-time, and no experience needed work from home jobs. Good luck to all of you who apply, and as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.